So in this video, I'm going to discuss the hits different problem which occur in today's Code Forces challenge. So the problem is, this is the number of test cases and this is the values of n. So before starting this problem, let me tell you that if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So the problem is that you're given a can, like if you have seen, like there are sometimes in when you have this stack of cans and you have a ball and you have to hit a can, and the most number of cans you can hit, you get points according to that. So this is something similar to that. And if the problem is, like if you hit a can, so all the cans which are on top of it are going to fall. Okay, so let's say for this, the cans which are just on top of it, so this thing and this thing are going to fall, right? So I hope this thing, like, so this is how it works. So we have to find out the sum of all the cans, not the cans, okay, the sum of all the numbers written on the cans which are falling. Okay, so if you see that for 9, if I hit on the 9, so this 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 1, these cans fall. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 9 square is basically 156. If I hit on the 1, this can, so 1 squared falls, right? So that is 1 squared is 1. If I hit on the 2, that is this one, so this and this falls because this is just on top of that. So 2 squared plus 1 squared, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. For 3, it will be 3 squared plus 1 squared because 1 is on top of 3. So 9 plus 1, that is 10. So this is how this code works. Now, like the basic approach behind it, it is like, if you notice this thing, this line has a pattern in it. Okay, this line is in the form n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this line is in this form. So for if n is equal to 1, it is 1 into 2 by 2, that is 1. If n is equal to 2, it is 2 into 3 by 2, that is 3. And if n is equal to 3, then it is in 3 into 4 by 2, that is 6. I'm really sorry, like this is not for this one. Okay, this is just this one, sorry, my mistake. So this one was for this one, and for this one it is also very simple. It is n into n plus 1 minus 1, or let's say it's plus 1. Okay, n into n plus 1 plus 1, because 1 plus 1, it is 2. This 3 comes over here, 3 plus 1, that is 4. This 6 comes over here, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, so this thing is basically n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, and this thing is basically n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so for all the elements which lies in this extremes, we have to consider that on top of it only one can falls, that is just the one just above it. Okay, that is, if this can falls, then n minus 1 into n by 2th can also falls. Okay, like for this, for 15 is basically 6 into 5 by 2, right? So for n is equal to 5, right? So this thing occurs, so 15 occurs. So n minus 1 is 4. So 4 into 5 by 2, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. So right, so for 15, the 10th can falls. So this is how this thing works. For this can, if this can falls, then just the one above it, that is n minus 1 into n by 2 plus 1th can falls. Okay, and for all the rest cases, the can just towards this side and this side falls, that is this one, that is this, if minus that, and this plus 1. So like you have to, this is a basic calculation, so you have to go for it. Like I'm not going to give you the whole pinch of the whole program, I'm just going to give you the gist of how to code it. So you have to find out the formula, how to find out. So after you are done with this relation, so you can use a DP. Okay, this is a DP concept, remember. Sorry, only one, it is one dimensional DP. So once you are done with this dynamic programming approach, so you can calculate for all the values of n what would be the answer, and it's like a query. So you're given t queries, and for each query you're going to output what is the answer. Okay, so this is how this code, like this is how you have to code for this problem. The problem was like it was a little bit interesting and it was easy also. So all the best, that's from my side. Thank you.